I would say, in terms of complexity, commercial real estate transactions are somewhat more complex than residential. And I mean by commercial versus residential investment real estate. I'm not talking about buying a house or, for yourself or for a family member. Commercial real estate investment vehicles, you have to not only look at the bricks and mortar component to it, but you also have to look at the income stream. Really what I look at for commercial real estate is you're buying an income stream, and the bricks and mortar kind of go along with it. So it's very important to underwrite the integrity of the income stream coming, or the potential income stream that would come from that investment. So if you're going to buy a triple net investment like a CVS pharmacy that's a freestanding building, you generally have a sense that CVS is a very strong creditworthy company and the risk associated with it is not that high. So you're likely to get your full income stream out of the initial term that that lease has left on it that you're buying. And many of those investments are at the 4 to 5% range. But if you want to go out and buy an office building that has 27 tenants, you really need to investigate every single one of those leases. You have to read every one of those leases. You have to see what the length of the lease term is, what the average lease term is on the rent roll, and you have to see how creditworthy those tenants are, meaning what the risk is related to that investment. And that goes with whether it's retail or office or industrial. Now when it comes to multifamily, you have to assume that you're going to see a third to a half of your tenants roll. That's just a normal pattern related to multifamily, and you have to look at what your capital expenditure are going to be to replace them, what the likely downtime is, and that goes along with all of the other investment vehicles. So it's not just looking at the condition of the property, you're also looking at what the integrity of the rental income is, how complex the leases are going to be, how to remain in compliance with local and federal laws. So it definitely gets much more complex, requiring consulting with a qualified attorney, a qualified accountant that deals with investment real estate, and shameless plug warning, hiring someone who knows what they're doing related to property management and brokerage for commercial real estate.